know that people have gone to the Supreme Court seeking interpretation of the clause that governs the tenure of the president. If you ask my personal view, I thought that it was clear. Now me, I've read it over separate times. It's exactly what it says. But if you want to ask the Supreme Court, that is your business. But I know that the people of Ghana gave me one additional term, and I'm going to work to meet the trust they put in me. See, so you can crunch it.
Yeah.
Okay, I can crunch it. Cause President Mahama crowd, but 2020 any. Okay, I can crunch na san ko Supreme Court President Mahama ko 30
first time 2018.
Okay, so no san ko President Mahama ko 30 me. See, and here I'll be blunt to the president. Sure, when you're a president, a man for perform fooling because of sika, you be d favors and tro. How can at one breath or quiet at another breath or
now this all called twice the NAE 2018 and 2022
me Supreme Court to cross our case come to watching it. See, you don't need to be a lawyer to understand provisions of the Constitution. I don't know. We trust our bit. I don't know. You don't need to be a lawyer with the greatest of respect to understand provisions of the Constitution. Article 60. I don't know why it didn't come in. Let me read it. No, I get it for you. Don't worry. You don't need to be a lawyer to know the provisions.
Article 60.
Article 60. Yes, I think it's Article 60. Let me just get it for you. You don't need to be a lawyer to understand these things. Almost soon President Mahama fidi. Na when woman fidi na you know. Even in the cathedrals of democracy, America, they are not contemplating. Trump is in the same scenario as President Mahama. Even in the cathedrals of democracy, they are not contemplating these things. And President Mahama should avoid the temptation. Yeah, Article 66. Or say, a person elected as president shall, subject to clause 3 of this article, hold office for a term of 4 years, beginning from the date on which he is sworn as president. A person shall not be elected to hold office as president of Ghana for more than 2 terms. Do you need to be a lawyer to interpret this?
No.
But well, Article 132 is also clear. When it comes to original interpretation and the interpretation of the Constitution and the original tradition of the courts, it's the Supreme Court to interpret. Yes. But the reason is that we all know what this man suffered in Mahama one. And they be amekase me Fourth Republic. If there's a president who has an opportune time to correct many of the ills of our democracy, it's President Mahama. You don't need Supreme Court to tell you what to do, President. And I like the tone of the message. Ghanaians give you your final term.
That's right.
Don't let anybody. The fifth you quote a speech, no can. He knew why he was saying that. The history of the PMDC, the history of the dark days. Let's not go there with these sycophantic and bootlicking comments. And I'm quoting Fifi Kwete.
Yeah.
Let's not go there. We won't do this in Fifi Kwete. If can contribute to me this in Fifi Kwete. So those bootlicking sycophantic comments, it's a funny comment. And President Mahama should avoid the temptation where people are drawing him there. He should focus, deliver his mandate. No one uncle. Because obviously, third-term agenda.
Yeah.
Let's have Ghana is all we have. A peaceful Ghana is all we have. As a people, then kind of cringe. What kinds of statement do you need a professor to explain this thing to you?
Explicit.
It's explicit. Or say a person shall not be elected to hold office as president for more than 2 terms. What is ambiguous about this? What is ambiguous with the greatest of respect? And the president himself said that it's clear. So the Supreme Court should be guided. There shouldn't be any attempt to give third term to anybody. And the president should be guided. You are a student official. Okay, can grant it.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, Mahama can go for another term. All of a sudden, we are president.
Because he has fallen out with the party.
Okay.
With the NPP.
Me, I didn't want to go there. I didn't want to make assumptions for him. But I'm saying that you say to based on my reading of Article 66(2). There's no ambiguity anywhere. And I'm guided by colossus of professors, including a constitutional law professor, Professor H. Kwesi Prempeh. There's no ambiguity anywhere in that article. And the president agrees with me. So let's stay there. Now, he made mention of reshuffle. Mikra de ache. And no bizarre than a minister reshuffle. Now, me body is in reshuffle. Minister don't Why is it that as I'm senior mentality you? As you stress up the view, not make us a man shuffle minister be a no bonnie. What
governance?
It's one employment minister, then no why catch me. Ignorance about for what now, papa, so about the same to you, then why? Some minister of state or public enterprise, then no why. Climate change, papa, no so about then why catch me. Catch me. Catch me. And you boom, this a president show me once a monka. It's a kind of edition cow. It's a car and edition car. Wow, when you are told you and deputy, ya. Oh, when I could make us a shuffle. Eh? When I could make us a shuffle. Oh, show could to the way ya. Because there is a phone. Greater Accra Regional Minister, but give me one reason that the woman should be in office. President Mahama na ko born the London. O kasa bia o ti be free party now. Unzi onkofo bu o mo mfa bi ma.
Yes.
Ne wo so apegu ono no asa hwete no. Sa no te. O hwete ade no. O he Bota Regional Minister, Shanti Dom ho keka, isi Regional Minister ho keka. Na the compare Greater Accra Regional Minister. Wa eto aso. Yan kan no kure nipa.
O end the flood na no simple na Nhyira.
Ministers be nyade. Papa achedodo. This is your legacy term. Now, the second thing I'll do for you this week, this man